In this video, I'll show you how to connect Airtable to Softr. First, sign into your Softr account and open the application you want to connect to Airtable. Next, open the Data Sources section in Softr and select Airtable as your data source. If you're connecting Airtable for the first time, follow the prompts to authorize Softr to access your Airtable account. After that, choose the Airtable base you want to use. Select the appropriate table, then review the fields Softr can access from your Airtable data. Now open the page where you want to display your Airtable information. Add a dynamic block, such as a list, grid, or table block, depending on how you want the data to appear. Next, connect the block to your Airtable data source. Choose the table and select the fields you want to display. You can also configure filters, sorting, and search options to control what users see. Finally, preview your Softr app and make sure the Airtable records appear correctly. If everything looks good, publish your app. Any supported Airtable data updates can then be reflected in your Softr application. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Airtable to Softr. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.